2002 Ford Mustang with the 7.5-inch ring gear. Service cost is the amount of fluid, the gasket, and the fluid pump. The drive axle takes in between 1.62 quarts and 1.75 quarts of 80W90 gear oil to fill to the specified level, which is about 2 bottles of Valvoline VV831. Cost about $30. The gasket cost around $17, and the fluid pump about $11. Total of $58. Now, there is always an added cost that comes from using brake parts cleaner, rags, and gloves. The total time should take less than an hour. Before you even begin, make sure you can remove the fill plug. If you've never done this service, the channel Pet Rock's Garage has a fantastic guide. Not only that, Mr. Pet Rock goes further into detail about inspecting the spider gears and how to replace the wheel bearings and seals. I also changed the wheel bearings and seals as preventive maintenance. After all, this is a near 150,000 mile car. That added about $50 to the cost. As for the gasket, I used a Felpro solid one. The service information for this drive axle calls for a bead of silicone around the rim. I'm not a fan of that, and if you can use a regular gasket instead of a silicone bead, then I'm all for that. I use this gasket with no sealant and have had no leaks. As for the refill, the fluid pump, which is from Harbor Freight, does not fit the bottle. So you just cut the top and it should fit. Then you just pump it till it drips. Well, technically the fill level is a 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch below the fill hole, but I don't see many technicians measuring as they go. Technicians have been filling the drive axle until it drips for ages with no issues. Here's what the old fluid looks like, and the new fluid is greenish, clear. What a difference. The Ford service table shows that the differential fluid should be replaced at 150,000 miles. The differential fluid should be replaced at 150,000 miles. I don't know about that one. I do it at half those miles. So I hope you learned something. Have a good day.